Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is an opening of a bike stand my wife purchased, which has come from China, and it's a dual stand and it feels quite substantial. It's got adjustable legs. Let me take some of this bubble wrap off. It's a metal alloy stand with dual legs, and the things that look like they were adjustable leg extensions are in fact plastic and rubber covers for the legs. If you're using it indoors, you don't want the metal digging holes in your floors. There is a large Allen bolt at the end for screwing it to the bike frame, but what I don't see in the packaging is any Allen key. So if you're buying this, make sure you've got some Allen keys or you won't be able to fit it. If you want to see how to fit this, I'll be making a new video in the next 24 hours, which will be part 2 of this video, so make sure you subscribe in order to be made aware of that video when it's done. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out my other money saving tip videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.